Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. I'm here again with some more information. Today we are going to know the complete process to apply for APS certification. As many of you know, WES or IEE, these are the member of NACES, like National Association of Credential Evaluation Service. From there you can provide the report to US colleges. Similarly, here for Germany, you need this APS certificate, which is now mandatory for all the German universities. If you're going to apply for a German visa, they will ask for the APS certificate. So this is the mandatory thing. So everyone has to go with this whole process. This certificate acts as a green signal that your qualification meet the standard requirement of German universities. Basically, this checks the authenticity of your educational documents. These are the sample of APS certificate. So here I am showing the complete procedure in short. Please stay with me till the last video. You will have all the information related to this whole process. First, open the browser, go to Google, type APS India, go for the first link. Here you will get some information like appreciation for thank you for applying and all. Here you have some more options, news requirement, apply, login. If you have already created a profile, you need to go to this login option. Moving down, you will find checklist, FAQs and register. First we'll go for checklist. And here we can find all the required documents what we need to submit with the application. Here you will find different individual procedures through which you are applying, like if you have done class 12, if you have appeared for class 12 and then G exam, and then undergrad with 2 semesters. As we are going to apply for masters, so we'll look for the graduate and postgraduate required documents. This is the page you will get after going to the checklist. Moving down, you have all the document checklist. Printed and duly signed application with passport size photo. Second is copy of APS fees receipt, Aadhaar card with linked number, copy of passport, first and last page, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, 10th admit card, copy of mark sheet of all semester. So here basically you can add transcript or you can add consolidated mark sheet, whichever you have at the time of application. If you have both, try to submit both documents. Then add your bachelor degree. If you don't have degree, add the provisional one. If you have language certificate like TOEFL, IELTS, if you have appeared for English exam or German exam, add that marks and certificate along with the application. Here are some information for exchange students. Down below you will find that 18,000 INR is required for submitting this application. Okay, that's all from checklist part. We'll go back and find what more is required. Yes, this is the mandatory thing. Please download this form and you need to send this along with your documents to the APS Delhi. This one is a student authorization letter. You need to just tick here, write your name, date of birth, and down below date, place and signature. That's all. All done from checklist part, we'll move ahead to register option. You need to create username and password here. I'm just filling anything like to move ahead. Something went wrong, I guess. Password must contain number password. Okay, so choose any password with number in it. Yes, this time it worked. Same password, enter again. Moving to second page, here you need to upload image. So I'm just uploading some random image from Google. Just drag and drop here your passport size photo. I'm just writing anything like any name to fill out the form and proceed further. Write a valid email ID of yours. Enter email ID again. Select your gender. Fill the nationality, date of birth, place of birth. Are you an Indian citizen? So yes, of course, yes. Then add Aadhaar card number, passport number, contact details, and your full address, mailing address and permanent address. You can write the permanent address as mentioned in your Aadhaar card. I'm just filling some random numbers here just to fill the form and show you what we'll get in the next page. If you find this video is helpful for you, make sure you subscribe to this channel to support for further. After filling all, move to next page. Here you need to fill all your education qualification details. You need to write your 10 details, 10 board name, 10 passing year, 10 center number. This center number you will get on your admit card. Fill out same details for class 12. If you find this video is helpful for you, please do like the video and connect with me over Instagram. You can write it down diploma details if applicable. If you have done your diploma, you can write it down your all details here. If it's not applicable, click on next and move ahead. Here you need to fill out all your bachelor education details, bachelor college, bachelor course pursued, duration in years, subject, passing year, bachelor percentage, GPA. And for this login ID part, every colleges has their own learning portal right now, so provide that login and password. Along with that, you can add some professor email ID here, and if you don't have the professor mail IDs and all, you can add your director mail ID who can just verify your degree. Make sure whatever mail ID you are providing, it has to be from college profile, not Gmail is accepted. If you have master degree, fill out the details, or any other degree you can fill out here. Then click on next, move ahead. Here you need to fill test AS score. If you have appeared for this exam, you can fill it out. If you haven't appeared for this exam, you can leave and move ahead with clicking next button. Here you have to fill out your language test exam details. If you have appeared for English exam like IELTS, TOEFL, you have to write it down the test scores here. And if you have appeared for German exam, you can write go to certificate level and score as well. By clicking on next, you will come on this payment page. Here you need to fill out all your details, and you have 18,000 rupees to pay for this whole application. Better to choose online mode rather than offline. Online is the best and the fastest mode of payment. By clicking on submit button, this will take you to the payment page, payment gateway you can say. You can pay through online mode like from credit card, debit card, and UPI also. After doing payment, wait for 2 to 4 working days. It takes like 2 to 4 days to reflect your application fee. For payment confirmation, you will receive a mail regarding that your payment is already done. Then you again go back to APS India website and log in through your credentials. After submitting password, you will see this page. Proceed with my account option. Then if you go to inbox section, you can see like on 19th of December I have submitted the form and paid the fees. So on 22nd, like after 3 days, the account got activated. And if you go to application download, in the down below you can see document verification registration. Here you can click and download your whole filled form which you need to send along with your all documents. Here you can see the application filled form which you need to download and make a printout in like colored format, which is like more recommended. Moving ahead, we need to check the payment receipt which we need to download and make a printout also. So here you can go on payment details, open this document verification form. Here you will get the payment receipt. This one you download and attach along with the application. I guess that's all from this APS India website. Now let's focus on what documents you need to send to APS India Delhi office, like the Xerox copies. Make sure you send every Xerox in color format. That is more recommended. And along with that, you need one more letter to make the whole process more simplified. Here, as we have saw earlier, these are the list of documents you need to send to APS India Delhi office. Let's see once again what we needed to do. First, register on APS website. We did that. Payment completed, and make sure you do the payment only one time because that amount is non-refundable. So once your money got deducted, don't repeat that again. Wait until it's reflect on your account. Then third is the application form, what we have just downloaded. And fourth is like make sure you send everything to them, and if anything is missing, obviously they're gonna mail you back for that required documents, but that whole process is gonna add more days and that will delay the whole process. Rest is all same what we have talked earlier. APS transfer receipt, Aadhaar card, passport, 10 mark sheet, 12 mark sheet, 10 admit card, and whatever it's written in the list, you have to send it off. Have you guys remember I told you to add one more letter, and that is cover letter. Let's see how you can prepare the cover letter. Like along with all the Xerox document, first add this letter as your cover letter. Write your name, token number, and then list all the documents below. This will help the APS team to understand what all documents you have shared to them. There will be no confusion what documents you have shared, what is remaining. So this will make the job easier for them. So this is all from APS certificate. Hope you guys have successful application. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below or you can DM directly to on my Instagram account.